In this lesson, we will take a look at the real-life application of let. We got 3 buttons here. We want to console log the button name when we click them. I've already selected the 3 buttons using the tag selector and stored the selected results in variable buttons. We can locate each button using their index. To retrieve the button name, we just call the inner text property. We want to output the button name when we click it. This is also easy to achieve. We select the button and bind the addEventListener method. In the callback function, we console log the inner text property. Let's test the program. We can see it works. We only have 3 buttons here, so it's possible to bind the click event one by one. In the future, we might have dozens of buttons. In this case, we need to bind the click event using a loop statement. Here, we will use the for statement. We declare a new variable, I, and set its value to 0. We set the condition to I smaller than buttons.length. Then we add 1 to I's value. Inside the for statement, we select buttons using I as index. Then we bind the addEventListener method. Inside the callback function, we retrieve the button name using buttonsI.innerText. Let's test the program. We can see we have a problem here. The error message says, "Cannot read property of undefined." So something is wrong with button I. Let's console log the value of I. We can see no matter which button we click, we'll always get the same result, 3. This explains the error message. We only have 3 buttons here and the index starts at 0. Therefore, button 3 does not exist. So why do all buttons give us 3? And where does the 3 come from? Variable I is declared using var, which does not support block scope. This means the variable I we use here is actually a global variable. By the time the for statement is completed, the value of I has become 3. The for statement will bind a callback function to each button. The callback function will not be executed during the binding. It will only be executed when its binding button has been clicked. It will retrieve variable I from the global scope. At this time, I's value has already become 3. As a result, 3 will be used as index value. To solve this problem, we just need to switch var into let. Now we can see we can no longer access I from the global scope. The for statement will be repeated 3 times and create 3 block scopes. Every new value of variable I is stored in its own scope. As a result, each callback function will get its own variable I. We can see after we have switched var into let, we can output the button name.